welcome to part 2 of the cube. Like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. All right, here we go. We are going to put your pieces together. So, can't wait for you guys to do your own, but here we go. All right, so it will look something like this in the end. Of course, you're going to have different colors. Hit File, New. We're going to do the standard.im. Then we're going to do the separation part, and then we might do what's called sheets, but we'll see how we get there. Hit standard.im and get started. All right, go place. Go find your cubes. The confusing part for me, I've done this so many times that it's hard for me to remember where I dumped these at. So I'm going to pause the video until I find them so you don't see me searching through all my fun files. Okay, I found them. Yippee. All right, so we're going to open up WB1. So go ahead and hit place. And crap, I got to find it again. Yippee. Intro. There we go. That's where I put my stuff at. There we go. Too many files. WB1. You won't get these things. I will because I set my stuff up weird. There's one. And go ahead and place. And place 2 right next to that. All right. So they're actually, the way I did this, they oriented them the correct way. They're just upside down a little bit. So do me a favor. Hit shift and scroll on your screen until you see the scene say top and front and left. I try to make them to where this is going to be simple for you guys to actually get the orientation right. So, and then if you can see the top and front right here on this cube, you're in the right spot. Okay, to assemble this, you remember it goes straight through it, but at least it's oriented the correct way. That way your life is a little bit easier. So press on the constrain button. So we're going to do flushing first. I'm going to try to do flush first for these first ones. So flush the top of this with the top of this. Remember that will line these two up and apply. Choose the front of this and the front of this and apply. Okay. Now I'm going to press cancel just so you can see where I'm at. Now I just mate these. Assuming your measurements are correct, these should slide together perfectly. So press constrain again. We're going to hit mate. I'm going to choose the inside of this, and I need to shift and scroll to the inside of this and press apply and cancel. First two pieces are done. Now before I move forward, I'm going to ground this. That way it won't move. So click on one of these, doesn't matter which one, and press grounded. That way this won't move. First two are done. That was easy. Hit place. WB3 is next. Boom, right there. Oh, it is in the right place. I did good. Look at that. That's awesome. Okay. This is exactly where this needs to be at. Hit constrain. Once again, we're going to flush first. So I'm going to flush the side of this. So it's a part that's on the opposite side of this block with the front of this. That will line those up. Press apply. Now in this one, I'm actually going to choose the front of this with the front of this. That lines up like so. Apply. Last step is to mate. I'm going to mate the top of this part right here. Shift and scroll. With the undercarriage of this, apply. I'm going to cancel it out and done. This should not be able to move. Okay, you got that looking good? Then we are sitting pretty. If you need help, yell at me and ask, and I'll run over there and I'll try to help you out the best of your ability. If you're at home, well, you're going to have to wait. Because I'm not driving to your place to do this. All right, WB4. And go. Dump it. Oh, look at that. Look at this. It's going to just fit right in there. Like a glove. Name the movie. If you're in class right now and you're looking at me, tell me what movie that says like a glove. All right, hit constrain. Flush first. I like flushing first. So I'm going to flush this with this. So this side here with this side here. That will line these two up. Apply. And then I'm going to flush this with this back part here because those should line up. Apply. So now I'm going to press cancel so I can get out of this so I can lift this thing above. Okay, it should go here, but we need to lock it in. Now there's a few different places I can mate here. I'm going to just do the underneath of the longer parts. So what I find it helpful is to lift it up a little bit higher. That way you have room. So press constrain. We're going to be in mate. I'm going to make the bottom of this, shift and scroll, with the bottom of this, press apply, press cancel. You got that done. Okay? Shifting and scrolling so I can see the side. So if you're looking at your cube over here, you should see left, front, and bottom. That's where I'm looking at. Hopefully you're looking at a similar thing. Hit place. WB5. Let's see if I did them all correctly. Oh, I did. That's awesome. Okay, this should go right here. Some of you guys might be getting the hang of this. You're like, Woyth, I got this. I don't need your little video. Well, that's fine. If you do, here it is. Press constrain again. You're going to hit this flush button right here. Choose the top of this and the top of this. Line those up. Press apply. I got to do a side also. So I'm going to choose this side here and this side here and apply. Last is just a mate. I'm mating this with this. Apply, cancel, done. Look at that. We made a cube. That took 6 minutes and 6 seconds. I'm impressed. Really helped that they were oriented the correct way. So, all right, let's save this real quick. Save as Woyth cube. All righty. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Okay. Now we're going to do the presentation, that video thing. So hit new, hit the standard.ipt, and we're going to scroll down and we are going to find our files, and I know where it is this time because I paid attention to what I did last time, and there it is. Woyth block, Woyth cube, yes, I wish I could get rid of that, but I don't know how to. Okay, here we go. All right, so I'm going to hit this little corner right here so it's a good, solid orientation. Now the key to this is not having pieces go through each other. So if you remember, you press tweak, then you click on a piece, you grab the arrow you want it to go in the direction of, and I pull this thing out. If you wanted a measurement, -2 would be great. Okay? This one goes next. The one on the far side. Grab the block, move it out some. Okay? I'm going to grab this one. I'm going to hit from the back side like this, drag it out. If you accidentally do something wrong, press escape and just redo it. Last, these two, I'm going to grab this one. I'm going to go to that way. And this one here, I'm going to go down. Let's check mark when finished. Want to watch your video? Go ahead, watch your video. And done. Okay, save this. Woyth cube, it's the same name but a different extension, so it won't save over it, so you're fine. So press save. Okay, let's make a little video here. So choose video, and I'm going to make sure I put this in the same location as the cube I just made. And now it's going to generate that little video. Just take a moment. I'll pause the video while it's doing this so you don't have to see the bar go across the screen. Or maybe I'll tell you a joke. How about this? Why are dinosaurs not happy? You give up? Because they can't clap their hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. No? Okay, it's a bad joke. I'm sorry. It's all I got, though. Okay, that's done. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to make a sheet. Okay, so here's how you do this. Before we have to do it, though, I want you to go up here and click this new snapshot view. What that does is that creates a little bit of an image up here in the corner. All right, so last thing I'm going to do, hit File, hit New, and we're going to click this thing that says standard.idw. All right. I'm not going to worry about sheet size on this. We're just going to go with this just like this. Okay. Go up here in the top left-hand part of your screen. You see where it says base. Click it. Oh, look. There's your cube. I'm going to make mine bigger. So let's go 2:1. I like that better. So this shows your, oh boy. So this shows your cube and how it looks when it's separated out. Press OK when it's on your screen. If you want to move it, you have to click around the edge of it like so. Okay? So that kind of shows how the pieces fit together. I also want to do another one where if you choose base again, I'm going to click this up here, and I'm going to choose the IEM file, which is just the block itself. Okay, and once again, I'm going to change my size a little bit bigger, and I'm just going to dump it right there. Well, nope. Let me do that again. Sorry. IEM, change the scale, 2 to 1, press OK, and just leave it. That's good enough. Okay, not done yet. So if you ever see instructions, it will give you like an assembly of the parts you have and their names. I want you to learn how to do that too. So the last portion of this is to go to the Annotate tab. You're going to see this thing up here, top of your screen that says Balloons. Click it on the down arrow and go to Auto Balloon. Click that. Click your box or these pieces here and select them. Just draw your mouse over it. You'll be fine. Press this little placement button right here and move your mouse over this and click and press OK and press OK. And now you'll see here it has all the pieces you have and what number they are and the order that they're in. You can move these if you wish, but if you like them all the same, that's fine. The last thing to do is something called a parts list. So I choose parts list, I choose this, I choose on your object, press OK, dump it up here in the corner, and now you have what's called a parts list, which shows that you have one of each. That's it. You are done. Save this. I would like you to turn in 2 things. One is this sheet here. The second is your video. Okay? Once you get this done, you're going to make your very own cube. All right? Good luck. If you need help, holler. If you're at home, holler. You might want to holler louder because I'm not going to hear you. Have a good day. Hope you had fun. Bye.